Hello everybody, just want to show how to reset the maintenance warning. These are two lights here flashing all the time after 200 hours. Alright, so first you go to the menu, press 7 for password, then you go up to 40, press enter. Press enter again, it displays a password which you need to add up, so 10, 18, 90 plus the kilowatt power of the oven, so this one is 8 kilowatts, so 19 plus 8 is 27, and enter, go up to 27, enter, and it says on, we are in the menu. Now we can go past number 40, so we go plus, so 41, 42, 43, we need to come to 45, which displays 5C. Then you go enter, it shows these numbers, go to parameter 6, go enter, it means off. Now this is reset the service counter, now it's off, you wanted to put it on. Just hit enter and we're done. You go out and these lights should be off. Okay, mines are off because I already reset it, but it should be off. Enjoy. Have a warm winter.